Welcome to CyberTheo. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 complete antivirus software options to protect your PC from malware, viruses, and cyber threats. With so many options on the market, it can be tough to know which is right for you. Let's explore the best antivirus software available and break down the pros, cons, and unique features of each. 1. Norton 360. Overview. Norton 360 is a comprehensive antivirus solution that offers more than just basic virus protection. It includes real-time threat monitoring, secure VPN access, dark web monitoring, and a password manager. It's designed to cover all aspects of online security, making it an all-in-one solution. Pros: multi-layered protection, real-time threat protection, firewall, and ransomware protection. Additional features includes a VPN, password manager, and dark web monitoring. User-friendly interface, easy to set up and navigate, even for beginners. Cross-platform support, available on Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. Cons: cost, subscription fees can be higher compared to other antivirus options. Performance impact: some users report a slight slowdown in system performance during scans. Bitdefender Total Security. Overview. Bitdefender Total Security offers comprehensive protection against malware, viruses, and phishing attacks. It also includes features like a VPN, parental controls, and anti-theft tools. Its AI-based system ensures advanced threat detection and prevention. Pros: lightweight performance, minimal impact on system performance. Advanced features includes ransomware protection, webcam protection, and anti-phishing tools. Multiple devices, protects up to 5 devices with one license, covering all major platforms. Affordable, offers a strong set of features at a lower price than some competitors. Limited VPN. The included VPN has limited data usage unless you upgrade. Complex interface. Some users find the interface less intuitive compared to others. 3. McAfee Total Protection. Overview. McAfee Total Protection provides robust protection against malware, ransomware, spyware, and viruses. It also comes with a VPN, password manager, and encrypted storage for sensitive files, making it a solid all-in-one choice. Pros: comprehensive security, real-time scanning, ransomware protection, and web security. Identity theft protection, offers identity theft protection for premium plans. VPN included, includes a secure VPN for private browsing. Multi-device support, covers up to 10 devices with a single subscription. Cons: price. Higher-tier plans can be costly. Frequent notifications, some users report frequent pop-ups and notifications. 4. Kaspersky Total Security. Overview. Kaspersky Total Security is a trusted name in cybersecurity, providing excellent malware protection with minimal system impact. It includes features such as a VPN, parental controls, and password management, ensuring comprehensive security for all your devices. Pros: high malware detection, consistently rated for high-level virus and malware detection. Minimal performance impact, known for its lightweight impact on system performance. Advanced tools, includes VPN, password manager, and safe browsing tools. Affordable, offers excellent protection at a competitive price. Cons: VPN limitations. The VPN is limited to 300 megabytes per day unless upgraded. Interface. Some users find the interface slightly outdated compared to newer antivirus software. 5. Avast Premium Security. Overview. Avast Premium Security provides solid protection against malware, ransomware, and phishing attacks. It also includes a secure browser, webcam protection, and a sandbox feature for testing suspicious files safely. Pros: comprehensive protection, offers ransomware shield, phishing protection, and secure browsing. Sandbox mode allows users to test files in an isolated environment. Free version available. Avast also offers a free version with basic virus protection. Minimal impact, light on system resources, with minimal performance impact. Cons. Privacy concerns. Avast has faced scrutiny over data privacy issues in the past. Ads in free version. Free version includes frequent ads and prompts to upgrade. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, this breakdown of the top 5 antivirus software options helps you find the perfect solution for your online security needs. Each one has its own strengths, so consider what works best for your system and budget. Be sure to check out my links below for more details on each antivirus, and don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and security updates. Thanks for watching CyberTheo.